Salutations, humans. It is I, Blue, and I am rejoining the server, and as you can see next to me, I'm real happy. Ray's on! Hi! I just found your gift. I'ma open it. Happy. I was like, Ray's the best and definitely plays a lot more than us. I can break this with my hand and get it. Oh my god. Oh, I am so hyped. I love this so. Oh my god, I don't have to starve anymore. Oh my god. This is a feast. I would love a cat. Wait, let me get a. Oh! Oh my god. How do you have time? I like cat. Also, what the heck? This is so much food. You're the best. May the squids rule over more than. Wait, I can't English. May you rule over more than squids in the future. Heart Ray. Can you tell I'm a nerd? Okay, so definitely bring in this. Oh, but this is so good. Oh my god, she named like the things. Cranberry sauce, stuffing. Aww. Who's the best? Everyone stand Ray. I don't care who you are, you're standing Ray now. Which probably, you know what, I'm gonna take off the head, even though I love it because I know I'm going to die and lose it. I swear you spoil me. I still don't know where to find you. Hey, I'm gonna be in a VC with Ray. Let's go. Just minding his own business.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Aha!
Success.
Get away with the looking.
But everyone, this is Ray. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry about Ray's audio, turn it up next time. I'm currently making a campfire because I wish to tame bees. Got him. Chasing after you. Oh, that's smart.
Really convenient place. Hello.
Hello! Also, your gift was so nice, how dare.
Yeah, I was doing a lot of villager trading. And it's Thanksgiving, and I have a lot of. Excuse me, that is my horse.
My horse now.
No, that is my horse.
I'll get off.
Not the car. I will. If you tame a horse, I can lend you the saddle.
Ooh. I don't have apples, at least on me. I probably have them.
No, you just have to ride it. Let's find a horse for you.
Yeah. Jump. Nailed it. If you see any beehives, because, yeah, main goal.
Oh, I have a
Bee! Oh my god, bee! Hello! Hello! Friend! Oh my god. Wait, I don't want to break the flower you're pollinating. I need another flower. Oh my god, wait, wolf. Wait, there's a wolf and I could get one. But first of all,
Yeah, I have like 6 cats.
I'll say I have 2 bones on me. Let's see if this dog will love me.
Oh, do you have a campfire?
Yeah,
In a box.
I do not have a bottle.
Okay,
Ah.
so here's a beehive.
Okay.
All the bees. This is the beehive. Here, go ahead.
Yeah. And now,
You put the campfire.
voila! Bee, you will be my friend. Pun unintended. I have a friend! Shut up, zombie, you're ruining the vibes. I don't know where you are, but... Oh my god, I'm in love with you. Okay.
1 sec.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy. Lovely. Oh my god, the bee went in the hive. You just like little bee in the hive. Oh, this makes me so happy. Bee? Oh my god, wait. No wait, I'm holding flower, Love me, love me, love me. Come here. Wait. Oh my god, I got a bee in a boat! I got a bee in a boat!
Did you hit the bee?
No, I use flowers. I'm not hitting bees. We love bees here.
I'm just going by from what you're saying, and from what I heard you, it sounded like you accidentally hit it.
I'll say, I do not blame you for thinking that, but I did not. Wait.
Good.
Thumbnail goals. I got a bee in a boat! I am an easy to impress person. Give me a bee and I am a happy lad. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a bee. Oh, the bee came out.
You're back. And I'm left.
Wait, oh my god, wait. I am so oh my god, it's a baby. I love you. You're my son now. Oh my god, they're oh my god, they're friends. I love them. I swear, I'm gonna like title the video or something, just me like fawning over bees for like 20 minutes straight.
You use honeycomb, and you did honeycomb by Sheila.
Well, I actually brought iron because I am super prepared now. Whole new me.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm working my way back over.
Actually, I don't-
Oh, never mind. Where am I?
It's over here. Actually, at one point, I had more diamonds than iron.
Jeez.
It's because I used like 3 stacks for a dresser.
The problems of wanting to decorate in Minecraft.
It has to be full.
Well then. But now I wait, and now I'm just sad. Oh, this is pretty.
Is there a horse around here?
Wait, stand next to me and we can be all cute while looking at the sunset. Oh yeah, de-armor. Oh, I've messed up. I've done goofed. Yeah, cute vibes! We got a medieval princess and an e-boy alien. I will give it to you. I know what happened last time I accidentally had your bed.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Find that.
Behind you! No! I'll grab your stuff.
Yeah. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Aw, man.
And you died too. Don't worry. Hello.
Oh, hello!
Hi. It's like the only tree.
There's a lot of trees.
Oh yeah, but it's the only like that type of tree.
Got it. Oh my god, I got 3. I have enough. We got a beehive.
What I use.
Okay, so wait. Now that we got beehive mission success, I also want to like build like a little like, I guess, greenhouse for the bees.
I have a lot of glass.
Ooh, wait, if you actually have extra glass, that would be super helpful.
Oh, I have stacks upon stacks of glass.
Ooh, perfect. What do you use to break campfires? Axes? Oh, they kind of die, but it works. Yeah, you do. Hi, bees. I love you. I'll be back for you.
And just don't be intimidated by what I've done, okay?
That's such an ominous statement.
Don't be intimidated by what I have done.
It's like, you don't freak out, but I think I just took a screenshot, but I'm at negative 230.
See?
No, X.
I said negative 30x. Okay, I'm just gonna come.
Here's the thing, I think I saw which way was the right direction, but
Negative 30z, not x.
I know you said 30 in one of the directions, and then I just went.
Hello. I'm waiting for you.
With snow. Oh no, I'm sorry.
I'm waiting.
I don't even know what you use snow for, but I have it now. Okay, wait, what was I I'm following.
Hello.
Can you tell I have ADHD?
As do I.
Did you build that all in survival?
Yeah.
Jeez!
Okay, what?
You're talented. How dare. Okay, I'm gonna ring your doorbell. Oh my god!
You like it?
I love it. Oh wait, permission to enter your home. I did
Yes.
English.
Granted.
Oh, like the little item frames that you use to like have the cat.
Enjoy the little too.
I see all your prisoners.
What?
I see all your villager prisoners.
Oh, my head. I think I might know where it is, but I couldn't tell you.
I'm trying to trap it in a boat. I think it's stuck.
As long as you don't open any doors, it's going to stay in the house. And it's going to it's not.
Okay, I got in the boat.
Okay.
Wow, you actually did like a really good dresser. The heck?
Yeah. It takes like 3 stacks to buy.
Oh yeah, because you had to do an anvil for every single one. But it looks real good. I've reached the tippity top of the tower.
What the heck, Epona? Stop running away from me.
Eponia realized that she likes me better.
Epona, not Eponia.
She likes the way I say her name better too.
No, she does not.
I can explain.
This is my village. I have turned it off at the moment. This is how many villages have been good because I accidentally went AFK for a couple hours. These are the 2 villages I came at. One sec.
Aw, they're friends.
Don't do that. Don't.
I
What
was.
the heck? You're being villagers.
Oh wait, did I just breed them?
No, you didn't bleed them.
Okay. Also help, I'm in your water contraption.
Okay, just jump. Just go up.
Oh. Help. Free me. Oh. I'm one of the villagers now. Wait.
Yeah.
Where's Waldo? Where's Blue? Gentlemen, keep your hands off me.
Oh.
This is terrifying.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's your basement.
This is where I can put them. Look at my zombie. He's an angry bee. He's an angry bee.
Oh my god, how did you do that? Did you give it the head?
Oh right, yeah, I was going to teach you how to do.
Meow to you too.
I can get more glass. How much glass do you need?
I mean, I know you also said you wanted glass, so I can always make my
I
own.
can get more glass.
Oh, 1 emerald for 4 glass?
Yeah, and also it's 1 emerald for a bookshelf, and then 1 book for an emerald. You know what that means? I have infinite emeralds.
Nice.
Because a bookshelf drops 3 books, so I have infinite emeralds.
I'll say then fair play. I'll say if I could get like, I guess a stack of glass if you have that, that'd be nice.
I might have a stack and a half.
Hey! You're the best.
So,
Yeah, well, you do that. I'm gonna go raid your house looking for fish casually.
okay.
I like how you're just like, don't care anymore. I would say you're my Minecraft parent because I have no idea what I'm doing and would definitely be dead without you.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna deny that.
I mean, oh, you look so grumpy. I love them. Come on, cat. Love me? I've sat in the boat. I've sat in the boat. Mission failed. Yay! I got a cat!
Bye now. I will see you later.
Woo! Hello, friend. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyone else want to challenge me? I say while I'm on fire. Very intimidating. Please stop. I have a water bucket. What am I doing? I'm fine. I'll just walk it off. Cat. I swear. You're alive, right? Okay. Are you stuck on the table? Is that a thing? Okay. Yay. Oh, little cat meow. Okay. Now can you come here? I swear to God. This cat. Can I name you Jester? Just because you love making a fool out of me. Okay, now I'm watching you. Don't go back up on the table. Y'all seeing this? I will get you in a boat. Do not test me. I don't think this will work. Please, please, please. Well, this was already a failed plan. Hey, friend. Can you follow me? No, I'm gonna just start walking. The cat should follow me. I think that's how Minecraft works. Cat. You know what? The cat's gonna follow me. The cat's gonna follow me. I believe it, therefore it has to be true. Cat. Cat, I swear to God. Jester, get your fluffy butt back here. You're just chilling over here. I tamed you. Why are you like this? I swear I'm gonna need a boat to get you home. I've never met a cat more difficult than you. And I have cats. There we go. Come on. Jester, yes. Gonna rule the world with you by my side. That was quick. Oh, we're going this way. We got a long way home. Now I don't even know where it is. I just wanted bees. I really just wanted bees. Wrong move. I think I went into the fire. Oh. I deserve this. I am the Squid King. The squids. They're all my humble subjects. You're the court jester, that's why. Oh my God, I am a genius. Cat, don't follow me. So I actually want to go in the complete opposite direction. Who would have thought? Oh, it's negative number. No, wait, I want it to be negative numbers. What am I doing? I'm actually going in the right direction. And I have yet to die. Honestly, this is the best I've ever been at Minecraft. Sure, anyone can do, but how many people can know numbers? The answer, not me. Apparently you do need numbers in real life. The math classes were right. You're behind me, right? Yeah. Stay in school, kids. As a fellow kid, I would know. I'm hip and cool with the kids these days. Poggers. I say this like I'm so old or something. Cat on board. Brain cells exited. Oh my God! god, oh my god, oh my god, the cat sleeps on you. Oh my god, the cat sleeps on you. I love you. You know what, Chester? You're growing on me. You kind of started out as a little bratty cat. You're still very much a little bratty cat. But I love you for it. Now go kill the chicken. Kill. Kill. Good job. Get a cat? Can I get cat? Oh my god. Guys, I found, oh my god, I've made my way back. Just so you guys understand my struggle, this took like an hour of real life time to get this freaking cat back home. I suffer for you. I've actually made it home. Oh my god, Chester, we did it, Chester! Chester, we did it! And all it took was a few stolen leashes and, more stolen. To Squid Island we go. Onward, Chester. Woo! Look at the happy dancing squid. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and remember, you're made of stardust.